And that's what it looks like, or what it's supposed to look like. Now, I'm not going to use skin on chicken thighs. I like them, but I just don't have any, so I'm going to use chicken fingers. And since they cook really quick, I'm not going to do this recipe in the air fryer. I'm going to do it on top of the stove. So it takes 1.5 inches of ginger. And I have no idea how much that is, but we're gonna grate it. And I'm gonna use this zester. If you can see in here, there's a little line, and it helps you scrape off what you've zested. But anyway, we're gonna do that real quick so you can watch. All right, and on this, you can do this in circles, back and forth. It doesn't matter because all of these little holes are cut in a different direction. So anyway, okay, so we're gonna make the sauce for the Huli Huli chicken, and I'm gonna have to read the instructions, so bear with me here. We are going to put a 1/3 cup of brown sugar in a bowl, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and right there. Okay, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Soy sauce. Okay, and then crunchy garlic seasoning. It says a tablespoon of this. This stuff is what Dawn and I have been using a lot. We've been using it in on chicken. A tablespoon of that, and the ginger. So 1 tablespoon. Looks about right. Okay, apparently this sauce takes 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, so oops. There. This is the sauce for the chicken. Yummy. All right, so I'm going to put a little oil in this pan. And I'm going to put the chicken in there and cook it a little bit. Okay, so my chicken looks good. I'm going to put in the sauce. So okay, it says to put the pineapple rings in. I've decided to broil them, so I'm going to put them in the broiler for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, I guess. Yummy.